Searching for how to record the Google Translator in my mobile iPhone, but it's kind of hard to record it. I've actually figured it out on how to record it here in my laptop. I'm gonna show you that right now. So all you have to do is to go to, I'm gonna open tab first, then type in google.com, then search for Google Translate. And here, click this one. Then I'm planning to record my channel karaoke, which is Estong Karaoke. I'll put it on my intro. I'll just try it if it works. But now let's go back to recording the Estong Karaoke. Okay, so all you have to do is to type in the words here, Estong Karaoke. Then you have to right click here and click inspect. Then you click the speaker to listen. Okay, so I want to be translated into English, so I'll click this one. Let's try again. There it is. So after that, you go here to network, click that one. Okay, so then click again to listen. Okay, after that you go here to type or anywhere there, then right click, then choose open in new tab. Now there you go, it's already in audio. You can download it by just clicking here in the three dots, then download. Okay, here it is. Let's see if it works, if it played correctly. Okay, here it is. Let's first rename this one to Estong Karaoke. Estong Karaoke extension is already taken. Okay, we just tried it a while ago, and now I'm trying it again just to show you how. So I'll try to get a new file name for that. Estong Karaoke 2. Okay, here it is. So let's play. Okay, there you go. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like some videos like this and some others, because this is a variety vids I'm making here in this channel, please subscribe down below and ring the bell for updates. Thanks.